Most website contact forms are lead graveyards. A prospect reaches out, you reply a day later, and by then, the lead is already gone. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically follow up with those inquiries, convert them into paid strategy calls, and make sure every customer gets booked. Let's get started. For this example, I'm using a fictional consulting business that helps small businesses improve their marketing, customer follow-up, and internal processes. The paid offer is a business strategy call, but the process begins with a free inquiry. I built the inquiry form here with SureForms. The idea is that the prospect may know that leads are falling through the cracks, they're spending too much time on repetitive work, or that their CRM is not helping them stay organized. What they may not know is which service or tool will actually solve that problem. So instead of asking them to choose a service, this form asks, what is the primary challenge you're facing in your business? And when the form is submitted, the SureContact integration creates or updates that contact and applies a general tag of strategy call inquiry and captures their primary business challenge as a custom field. Now that tag will start a 3-email lead nurture sequence in SureContact. The first email is sent immediately after the inquiry. Now, if you wanted this first email to arrive later, perhaps to make it feel as though someone reviewed the inquiry before responding, you could convert the sequence into a visual workflow and add a delay step. But for this demo, I'm keeping it as a simple 3-email sequence. The overall email itself stays the same, but the advice in the middle changes based on the challenge selected in the form. SureContact checks the primary business challenge custom field and displays the matching content. So an automation lead might see advice about identifying repetitive bottlenecks before choosing another tool, while a marketing lead might see guidance on fixing follow-up before spending more money on the traffic. The result is one email that feels much more relevant without building 5 separate versions. The second email here is sent 2 days later, and I'm keeping this email generic because the same lesson applies across all 5 challenge categories, using a simple case study that follows a business that believes it needs more leads. But once the full process is reviewed, the real problem turns out to be inconsistent follow-up. So this email begins introducing the strategy call as the place where that diagnosis happens, but the focus remains on education and proof. The third email makes the direct offer. The call to action leads to a SureCart checkout page. I'm using purchase your strategy call rather than book your call for the call to action because the immediate action is payment. The appointment time is selected after checkout. The paid strategy call is created as a SureCart product. When the customer completes the purchase, the SureContact plugin applies another tag, strategy call purchased. That tag starts the purchase to booking workflow. This is the moment the contact changes from a lead into a paying customer. Over in the workflow, it immediately removes the contact from the nurture sequence, sends a purchase confirmation email, and begins checking whether the customer scheduled the appointment. The important step here is removing the contact from the nurture sequence. So somebody who has already purchased should not receive yet another email asking them to purchase. So after completing the payment, SureCart here redirects the customer to a custom WordPress thank you page. Now that page contains the embedded SureContact Bookings calendar, as well as confirmation of the payment received. The message is simple. Your payment is complete. Now choose your appointment time. The customer selects an available date and time and enters their name and email address and confirms the booking. Now, I've tried several ways to get their information to auto-populate from SureCart to SureContact Bookings, but I was unsuccessful. So if you know of a way to do that, let me know in the comments below. That isn't too complicated. Still though, the customer moves directly from checkout to scheduling, so even the repeated contact details, the process still feels connected. Now, a redirect here does not guarantee that the customer will finish booking. They might close the browser tab, get distracted, or lose their connection, or decide to choose a time later. That's why the workflow in SureContact immediately fires off a purchase confirmation email with a direct booking link as a safety net. From there, the workflow gives the customer a little breathing room and checks whether their strategy call booked tag has been applied. And if they've already booked, the reminders stop. If they haven't, SureContact sends a couple of gentle reminders over the next few days. And if the call still hasn't been scheduled after that, the contact is tagged for manual follow-up so someone from the business can step in personally. Now, the goal here isn't to keep pestering the lead. They've already paid. So it's just to make sure a customer doesn't fall through the cracks or the gap between checkout and scheduling. When the customer does complete the appointment booking, SureContact applies the strategy called Book Tag. Now, that tag prevents the remaining scheduling reminders and starts the final email sequence. Now, this final sequence can include things like what to expect during the session, preparation questionnaire, information the client should gather. The calendar reminders themselves are handled automatically by SureContact Bookings for both you and the invitee. So that's the difference between a basic autoresponder and a real digital sales pipeline. You're personalizing the initial advice, stopping the sales emails the moment someone purchases, and following up with paid customers who forget to choose a time. Now, if you go ahead and plug in this exact setup into your site tomorrow, what paid offer would you build it around? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.